And now welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
अपर्णा आमी फाटले कितलेशेच एपिसोड खूबश्यो अश्यो डिश दाखयल्यो.
Correct.
आनी त्यो डिशीज दाखोवपाक आमच्या बरोबर आशिल्लो हँडसम डॅशिंग शेफ सुशील जोशी. ताका आमी वेलकम आयज करपाकूच जाय.
Definitely.
वेलकम.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now today I'll show you the specials, which is Italian dish, and comes in the starch medium. Okay, and it's also, you can say, it's kind of pasta. Okay, it's freshly, you can make it up. For that purpose, we require the refined flour, egg, milk, water, salt, crushed pepper, parsley, garlic, chili flakes, and oil. These are the main ingredients we want. The spatula gonna be tossed with the oil and garlic infused with the chili flakes.
So I think let's start.
Yes, I'll start. I'll just put the water to blanch on the fire so I can blanch the spatulas. When you put the water for blanching, it's kind of like pasta or spezzel. Put some oil in it.
Okay.
Okay. Some salt also you can add.
Now this is particular quantity of water that you have taken?
No. It's just, it's a fresh pasta. You are not getting like the market or a special. You find it out, but that is also in the frozen way.
Okay.
You don't get it in the dry made kind of thing, like spaghetti, in the tagliatelle, in the fettuccine, in the way you get it in the dry way. The special you will not get it in the dry. You will get it in the frozen way.
Okay,
So you just thaw it and toss it with the vegetable.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll make a batter of the special. Crushed pepper. Some parsley. Some egg. This is the one whole egg, and in that I will just add a half of it. Milk. Okay. Now start mixing. There should not be the lumps when you are making this pretzel. As per requirement of the thing, while making the batter, you just add the water in it. There should not be excess of water. Okay.
पर ये बैटर कैसा रहना चाहिए?
Pouring consistency में रहना चाहिए. So हम लोग जब इसमें डालेंगे तो you have to sieve it too. This batter should be sieved and the droplets should go in the water.
Okay.
ये भी डिश है वो इटालियन डिश है. इसमें ज़्यादातर मैं क्रश पेपर और ये चिली फ्लेक्स नहीं यही स्पाइसेस रहते हैं और कुछ ज़्यादा रहता है.
नहीं, ये when you are making the batter, मतलब आप जब batter बना रहे हो, these are the main thing which goes in it. Okay. And when you are tossing it with the sauce or just tossing it with the chili flakes or something, that's called as aglio olio. Aglio olio is what infuse olive oil flavored with the garlic, right? Chili flakes. And that they have it the same thing like that only. The pastas and all the things they have it like that.
Oregano, I think we can add in.
That's all herbs which gives the flavor and all the things. Okay, but if you ask me for the paprika, you can add it as a spices. You can add the paprika when you are making it. It gives the color also when making the pasta. You can have it with the tomato sauce, white creamy sauce, and the ratatouille and all the things you can have it. Now the batter is done. Okay. And just wait, the water should get boiled. When it boils enough, then we'll put on the water. There's a sieve, and that sieve should use the droplets of the thing, and that will plunge it in the.
Okay.
Okay, now the water is started boiling. Okay, use a nice boil. Now I'll put it on the. It is just done.
Okay.
You should not wait for something like, it's boiling. Okay, and it's a very fresh pasta, so which don't take time to get cooked very.
Okay.
For a longer time. Okay. Now our spezzles are ready. Yeah. It's done. You can see the very small.
उसको ज़्यादा बॉईल
नहीं करना. The excess water will come out.
Okay.
Now we'll start with the tossing of pasta. The oil. Okay. As soon as the oil is become hot, we'll put some garlic. While you are draining the water, you put the oil on top, so it will not get stuck into each other.
Okay.
Okay. तो वापस वही पैदा बन जाएगा. Okay. So garlic.
चिली फ्लेक्सचा एक बरो वास सुटला. अविनाश हे शेफान सारखे सांगिल्ले त्या प्रमाणे मग ताणें तेल घातला त्यामुळे ते स्टिक जावंक ना. यू कॅन सी द ग्रॅन्युल सेपरेटली.
अशा वेगवेगळ्या टिप्स ज्या असतात ते व्ह्युअर्सांनी याद दवरून.
Yeah, it is very important that you viewers keep these tips in mind. So then later on, you all shouldn't complain that it got stuck.
ये रेडी हो गया.
Yes. It's all done. Okay, the spezzle is ready. Top of it, we can sprinkle some parsley, chopped parsley on top. The spezzles are ready.
So our dish is ready now. It's time for us to taste it. It looks very tempting. It smells really good. It's nice. I can't just understand with just chili flakes and some pepper powder. I don't know how one can get this taste. It's really awesome. Nida from Mumbai says, very good concept. Prudent has given a good chance for Keralite cuisine. Sonia from Apsa says, you guys rock. Surya omelette is really tempting. Prudent is actually exposing places which are worth visiting. Please keep exploring all foodie places. A well-wisher from Dubai says, have seen your show from start. Love your program. Good concept. Keep rocking. Rohan from Goregaon says, wonderful is what I can say. Great effort to make someone smile. Congratulations, Prudent. Valen Morris from Dubai says, saw all your episodes on website. You both have taken care of all communities and now the kids. Amazing people you both are. Keep up the good work. Thanks to Prudent, not all think of all. Aarti from USA says, thanks to Prudent, now I can impress my Indian mother-in-law with typical Indian dishes. Max from Vasco says, hats off to both the presenters for showing some different culture which they don't belong to. Thanks, Prudent. Amit Bhingi from Pune says, when I was in Goa, I too started my day at Chai Pani. Good effort, guys. Golu Polu are nice. Miss Kanda Poha. Nancy from USA says, excellent recipes. Thanks, Prudent. Making of bibinka was mind-blowing. And Jovita D'Souza from Apsa says, guest of food bite helped me a lot to cook. You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in. Calamari masala fry. Ready Maratu. And now